This segment is sponsored by White32 Dental. When it comes to your oral health, it's important to find someone with precision care and also a kind heart. And our next guest does it all, from routine cleanings to complex procedures. We want to welcome now Dr. Charles White, who is the owner of White32 Dental. Thank you for being here.
Of course. Thank you for having me here. It's a wonderful studio you guys have here.
It's nice to hear your mission, that you not only do great work, but you also do it with a kind heart, and we appreciate that. Tell us how you kind of got here and your journey to arrive here in DC.
Yeah, so basically, I went to undergrad in dental school at UNC Chapel Hill, go Tar Heels, and then came here to DC to do my residency at the Washington, D.C. VA.
Wow.
And it's interesting because I actually had always thought I would go back to North Carolina, but I fell so much in love with the city, started picking roots here, got involved in the community, and ended up actually starting my practice here at in D.C. So White32 Dental. Obviously, my last name is White.
Yes.
And then 32 is just because the average adult is born with 32 teeth.
Okay.
So, obviously, most people have gotten their wisdom teeth out, so most people don't have 32 teeth, but it's also good because it's like an educational component as well.
Right.
So,
when people hear.
Yeah, but it's been wonderful. We've had a wonderful opportunity to help a lot of people and change a lot of people's perspective on the or perception rather on the dental field. So
yeah, well, and your smile makes the biggest difference on how you feel and how you
absolutely.
Act and interact with people.
Absolutely. I mean, I tell you, when you go in and a patient comes into the dentist and they feel one way, or they have their personality is like one particular way, and then like you do like a smile makeover and you just see it's almost like something in their eyes just absolutely becomes illuminated, and their whole personality changes. They start feeling themselves, start taking pictures, or sending pictures and stuff to their friends and everything. So I mean, honestly, just kind of having that, being able to be in control of that process and be able to provide that to somebody is I mean, there's nothing better than that.
It's got to be a great feeling when you leave work.
Oh, absolutely.
You said
tired, but
Yeah, right. You're putting in the hours.
Put in a lot of hours, make it happen. Yeah.
I know that you are very much a part of the DC community. You're also a musician.
Yes,
what instrument do you play?
So I play the keys.
You play the keys. Okay, and you play here locally, so we can come see you at the dentist's office, but also out performing.
You can, yes, and that's happened a couple of times as well.
Really?
Where, yes, I've had some patients who've actually come to some shows. So, but I mean, honestly, it's great because it's a wonderful balance between not only just having the dentistry, which is very science-based, but also having the music, which is very much arts-based. But it's interesting because like a lot of the things that happen in dentistry, a lot of times have been influenced by being a musician as well. So I mean, we've played a lot in the DC area. We've played me and my band, Dior Ashley Brown and the Filthy Animals. That we played at Howard Theater, this little venue called the Kennedy Center. I don't know if you've heard of it.
A little venue. Congrats.
Thank you. And then obviously the classic 930 Club as well, and just little areas, little bars here around the city. So it's been so much fun though. But it's interesting because music. A lot of people ask like, if you're in dentistry or how does music have such a this seems very different, right? So
two different sides of your brain.
Two different sides of your brain, but it's actually interesting because I think that being in music actually has helped me a lot in dentistry. Kind of growing up being a musician, playing professionally, you have to learn how to improvise and think on your feet, and obviously you're in front of like audiences, right? And so like being able to cater your playlist to actually who is in front of you as well is and so being able to use that in the dental office is actually huge, because sometimes things don't always go according to plan, so you have to do a plan.
See you play. We're gonna have to see you in the dental office. You can make your appointment with Dr. White by calling 240-221-6608. Again, it's 240-221-6608, or you can always go to white32dc.com.